Hello all, welcome back to the tutorial of C programming for beginners. Hi, this is Sakthi Arun, M.Tech student from NIT Patna. I'm technically supporting the missile Ingeniator. In this lecture video, I'm going to explain you guys with the simple C program for sum of n natural numbers in C. So for declaring the sum of n natural numbers, we have to use this int n, because this n represents the number of natural numbers whatever we have to use. Okay, say like I want to add till 5, so 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So to mention number of how many number of limits we need to be added, so we have to use with the n. You can also declare in the compiling time, which means whenever you declare something, right, you can declare out in the program only, but always when we are trying to get the values dynamically from the users, it's like more complexity. Maybe it may be the more complexity, but it's always better compactable designs in C. Okay, so now I'm going to get the values from the user with how many number of digits we till how much natural numbers we need to add. For that we have to use percentage d. Percentage d is basically used for an integer type, so I have declared here as an int as a variable. So then we have to use ampersand n. This ampersand n will represent whatever the values the user is giving, it will be stored in an address of that address of any memory. Okay, so the next thing is we have to add the values till whatever the numbers we are giving, right, we should be it should be added. So for that we have to store the results in some variables. So for that I'm going to use the result variable as sum. So sum finally stores the whatever the value is added, right, so that will be stored here. So the next thing is we have to use a for loop for addition of for using the sum of n natural numbers. So for that I'm going to initialize another variable. Okay, so this is temporary variable, so I equal to 0. Okay, and then I should be less than or equal to n, because it should be added till that number. So I have used less than or equal to. Okay, and then you have to use I plus plus. So later on inside the for loop we should have so initializing the sum variable value to the 0. Okay, so the next thing is we have to modify the sum value with sum equal to sum plus I. Okay, so what happens in the initial stages, the sum value is 0 and initial value is 0. 0 plus 0 is sum value is 0, and next time when the for loop comes, the value of I will be modulated to 1. So 0 plus 1, the sum value stored is 1. Okay, and the next time when the I value come, it is 2. So sum value previously it's 1, so 1 plus 2 is 3. So the addition of those numbers goes on with these for loop conditions. Okay, so once this basic syntax of it's over, finally we can print the value of sum. Okay, so to print the value of sum we have to use a printf statement. Okay, so the sum is equal to percentage d. Okay, so the percentage d is for printing the value of an integer type, and then I have to use sum. Okay, I'm running the program. I'm going to now for timing I'm going to use a simple like value like 2. Okay, so 0 plus 1 plus 2, so finally 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, or for more complexity little bit complexity I'm using 5. Okay, so the sum of 5 natural number is 15. Okay, so how this happens is we are going to add value like 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay, so as expected our value is also the result whatever we got, right. Let me run this. Okay, so the sum is 50. Okay, 15, sorry, 15. So the sum 15 which we expected, it came correctly in the output window. Okay, so this is a simple C program for finding the sum of n natural numbers in C. If you guys have any doubt or comments, please post it in the comment section window. Okay, thank you all for watching this lecture video.